everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to transform this one into this. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, ang una natin gagawin is tanggalin natin yung mga unnecessary threads and also the pockets. So, ang una nating ikakat is yung bottom tier ng skirt natin, which is naka-indicated yung measurements sa screen natin. And then, after that, we're now going to cut it. And also, in cutting the top tier is naka-indicated din yung mga measurements na ginamit ko dyan. For the sleeves naman guys, is ginamit ko yung sa side nung sa nagkatan natin ng top tier. The bigger the better if you want a full puff sleeves. And for the top naman guys, is I cutted 2 pieces, which is the total width is 21 inches and the length is 9 inches. Make sure guys na parehas yung width ng top natin and also the top tier of the skirt. And then we're now going to cut the armhole of the top. For the sewing steps of the skirt, we're now going to double hem all the raw edges of the skirt. And then we're now going to connect the sides. After double hemming and connecting the sides, we're now going to make some tiered at the bottom tier. And then, after natin i-shear yung sa may bottom tier natin, we're now going to connect it at the top tier. Dapat magkasing width lang sila guys, ha? And then, we're going to pin it first before sewing it para naman maging even yung mga sheared niya. And for the sleeves naman guys, after natin i-double hem sa mga gilid-gilid na is we're now going to measure 2 inches sa may bottom part niya. And then we're now going to attach the fabric holder, which is we're going to hold the elastic. After sewing it in a straight line, we're now going to fold it again and sew it. And after that, we're now going to put an elastic or garter. And then lock it at the end. And for the upper part of the sleeves, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Lalagyan natin siya ng garter, kaya magpo-fold tayo siya and then we're going to sew it. And after that guys, we're now going to connect it at the armhole of the top. And for the neckline of the top, we're going to sew it with elastic thread para mag-sheared siya. And after that, we're now going to connect the skirt into the top by pinning it first. And for the last step guys, is putting an elastic thread in between of the seams. That's all for today's DIY. Thank you for watching. Let's now see the final transformation.